Hello and welcome to TYCOONseries YouTube channel. Lebitso la ka ke Carlos and I'm your host today for Mjolo Breakup Stories. Kwana di studio re na le Ausi Tshepiso. Ausi Tshepiso dumela.
Dumela Abdi Carlos.
So re qoqele wa o etsang Mjolo wa o etsang.
Mjolo. I won't say it's a bad thing. I won't say it's a good thing. Ilang o tshwara ka diwashing le o tlolla batho ka diwashing at the same time. So on my side of the story, I ola ntshwara one double one puta one pega ka frisha ka khutlela hape bonne.
Wa o etsa ntho tsena tse bohloko kaofela.
Bona ke hana je pelo ka se ke le sharp. Nobody can break me right now. Is that after my boyfriend, I had a boyfriend who passed away on my birthday, like on my birthday, ne? So ever since then, a person has to move on at the end of the day. So moving on, unana, you will find the person that's on it's very hard and painful. And sometimes you won't be comparing, but even if you try to calm kapo msadi utshwara thipa ka baleng o fumana thipa ene o thirithela menwana ena le manala ya hlenthela you understand? So I met this guy, Lesotho man from Lesotho, and I check his situation so this guy, he was very cute, dark skin, about my height, and who anali young kid. And we gave each other time to understand one another, but not knowing no matter how much you think you know a person, you will never go. So this guy, nako ela tsamaya, gaba sharpo. From there, some points the moves I never thought he had them before. It's a when I get to call security you should call me at which time. Accept it's your baby. Let's episode the way we were getting, like, it's very romantic. Tepiso. Understand? Tepiso matlang. Things like that. And how you hope na ke da ha kai go ne ke kentse mmele pelo le moya le manala.
If I may ask, why you no so kgethola dinako ene le motho a nyetseng kapo ho no etsa lo bang? Why you no so kgethola bo dinako tsa ho founa? What?
Una sanyala.
Oh yeah.
The only problem he had in a girlfriend ngata.
Oh yeah.
So the fact that I wasn't working at that time, I'm not rich, I'm not beautiful, I'm not sexy, I cannot bono. So I had to be a side chick. I had to be a side chick. And I think it was gonna be like fine with me if ever he told me that I have a girlfriend. You understand? He didn't tell me. The first month, second month, I felt like a princess. Everything was so good on my side. Everything was so nice. Okay. All right. And the most interesting part of that, for me to know I was a side chick, the guy dated my friend, my best friend. And it's a bit like a friend yak. It's a bit like a friend yak. And friend yak important. How do I know the guy? And I have to play like, I just know him, Jay. He's nobody. I just know him like that. How to like I am knowing in terms of the ending. And he gets to be boyfriend, girlfriend,
So friend ya hao ye o tsebisitseng, is it the very same friend e lo mjita wa e jola kapo ke friend e nngwe hape e nngwe hape?
I didn't get your question.
Friend ya hao ye o jwetsitse hore mjita o jola ke yona friend e wana e jola kapo o jwetswe ke friend e nngwe hape?
Ke jwetswe ke friend eno e lo bane pick ya hae e feta phone ya friend ya ka. And I was like, who is this guy?
Oh yeah.
I was like, that's my man. That's my man, Chomi.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't tell you about him.
And how did you feel like how much how you sound like what's a well and then muto you ke boyfriend again? How did you feel?
At that moment, ke kgonne ho contain the emotions tsa ka so that she can't see anything happening ho nna. But it's like ke fihla heso ke la ka tlametse ho tjhentjha mosama e le hobane wow ke lile koi ke lile bila bohloko ba teng ne bile ke ngadile dijo tsa tsinleng gore ne ke lile. And the worst part, hangi mufuna ke mmotsa ona what's going on between wena le Nyeo. He was like, nah, there's nothing. She's just a bitch.
Oh, crap. And then why wena ono sa ukuna le courage ya hore o botse mogotsi ya hao? O sile mogotsi ya hao o sa mo jwetsa hore lo wena ke mjita wa hao yeno ne?
I have a girl code.
Okay.
I have a girl code, and I
understand.
respect my friends and my family so much. If ever I get to find out who my friend is like totally in love with my boyfriend, yeah, without letting her know. If ever I get to find out who this guy, I'm very young, eventually look at another family member kapa ke ex, I leave. I leave. I just leave.
So when you are the one who's always settling for peace.
No, I'm always settling for peace, but kifumana more than Ukraine le Russia.
But in that way, how quick are going to do aba head in every relationship? Have you going to do settle? Because I feel like okawa just a friend there how mjita le nna ke mjita, and then maybe friend there how lena maybe le ka bona na ke maqadile o jola le ena pele, and then one of you of course has to lose mjita. Mohlomong friend ya hao ene ka ba ena tswang. I mean,
girls are different. One thing that I know, girls are different, and once you get to tell her that, you know what, le nna motho no tse ke boyfriend ya ka, re tlo qabana, and the last thing I would want to have in my life ke ho qabana le motho ke minkileng a le close ho nna ka hakala and mail. I don't want that.
I understand. So why it's halang of kamera mo?
Kana kamera mo nako eno ke mo fa 6 years nyana ne. And first he realized something was wrong. Then he came back and told me everything. He was dating. Moloko no date le the enemy tsak. You understand? And how to look over how fitla bother Roxy. Kapo fitla guy. Wokopa le serasa how so nye motsabe ka ntwex at we bua. Not knowing that we're sharing the same guy.
Of course. I mean,
exactly.
In a situation in a ways. In
a ways, like as much as I used to be in relationships that I'm actually happy that where I am right now, I think I'm at peace with the person that I'm with right now. You know, how you getting to pray for a man that respects you, loves you, and it's very hard to put a person priority into how, but at the end of the day when you get to realize that, you know what, this person is priority high and he's my priority. No matter how much you people fight, you always pull through. Highly never pull through Nixon. I remember the day I bilang wak. Hey, bashing about so let's wak. I do get that as a cover, but you guys laugh about wak. Go that down and walking. Never like a
a se ka ofela is ha se ba maputse ke batla dumela se ba maputse.
Okay, sharp. Bashanyana, let's go. I can't have so. Tsatsile no. Like, Mashanyano, the way now why you got in. I would say I thank him for it may be the first day ever Bopilomba ke qala ho ba le king. Ke qala ho ba le matla I can walk straight in my town and not caring what people say or think about me. You understand? I am a type of person I do care what people say about me, but that day no ngwa ke antsudisa. I'm phatsa ka ditlhapa. Go adietsa kaofela and thank God ha ka ngwa ka mme. Morning ke ntwa nka be ke itse batho ke sure if ever he ever tried doing that, but he showed me that no matter how much a guy can look cute or handsome or rich, just never settle for things like that. Just go for the mental of a guy.
Mfitisa mon motheo o wa ka tje hobane o so mo butsitse o no so mo butsitse ka ene le ka morao mo botse ka mogotsi wa hane.
This guy ungwaka tjena ile bane ke mo butsitse ka friend ya ka, and again se ke tsile taba ya sexa le mo texta sexa mo texted off go se ke khawane le ena.
Okay.
So him insulting me in a for ena ankrebele attention ya batho. Yeah.
O wa ka ke ka call o enze call ka ponele kopana.
No, motho ha ke le cash build motho no ka nqano se kontiri.
Yeah.
Ka nqano. O butse koloi yeme ka nqana o koloi. Ke la bohlano la mafelo a kgwedi.
Batho ba bangata like batho ba bangata.
So hand describe everybody ha hetla. Ashba height ba sheba le bosweu. That's me they're talking about.
Ba bona re hlile motho o bua le ena.
Njwetsa tsa ka difelletse moshanyana. Ampakela thuto ya ditlhapa.
Ona le mang kana go o mong.
Kana go ne ke na le friend tsa ka tsa volleyball ne re tswa Jimmy Boniface. So thank God in le mauti and they were able to say I pinky ha re tswa taba motho na ha re tsamaya khawana le ena. But at that time I was so ashamed of myself, so ashamed.
I can imagine.
The only thing I recall them saying when I was hi lelona le tsebujola. So ashamed. O go tshengwe se betsa tshege hai ha o tsebujola lo ena. Ka tsela e lo e nyahame. I don't think we can into it. I'm sure this of done It's okay.
Okay. So ho nkile na go e kae hore le qetelle ho etsa le a rwana ka tsele jwang le mojita ho nkile na go e kae hore le qetelle le a rwana and then ho etsa etso jwang hore le a rwana.
Well, not at that moment alone sex am mo isihlene se hliang ke tsule taba ha, but for him it took him even now he's still after me even now.
Oh. Taba tse di etsa
This is why-
di etsa etse le monseveng di etsa etse le monseveng.
To go pos week asylum.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Week asylum because wow, yeah, nka kena ka hare. So I would say inkile na go etelle intse nka na go etelle le ho yena hore finally a gawana le nna. You
Okay.
understand?
So lo hona jalo ntse le motho ntsa o texta antsa o texta yeah wes mohlomong ntse mo ignore but ntse le motho ntsa o kgathatsa bo ka call ka bo di text.
Yeah, he is. Eventually, I even ended up changing numbers. Ke bona re hlang ke tlo kgona ho phumwa. I had to change them probably right now. House and house tlo kgona ho mfumana, so I'm a free woman.
But how ka etsahala hore le kopane? What do you think will happen how ka etsahala hore le kopane tseleng bo tseleng?
Ha ke motho wa violent ka hlohong. But when it comes to action, I can't express how angry I get to be with a person. So I feel like I'm just gonna ignore him.
Yeah, you're gonna ignore him, but yeah, na since antsa tswela pele ao text ao etsang, it means halo kopana. obviously ho na le ntho a ka batlang ho etsa mohlomong a ka batla ho bua le wena kapa wa batla ho etsang. Do you not think ho tla ba le bo violence nyana mohla le kopanang?
I think violence it's due to me responding to him because I'm just gonna say, remember all those things you did and said to me, Kamaput. So I really don't have, for the sake of respect, please let's just not talk. Re activate ka batho ba fela ba phelang Lesotho mona re fetane fela la ka kgaitse ditla go tswa ntate re fete fela.
But yena ho etsalang hona tje ho etsalang mo phelong ba hae, did he move on kapo ehlile he still stuck with you hobane a sena partner e nngwe e fumaneng e ntjha?
Oh, actually, he actually has PhD over a baby daddy. That guy. So, like, where's a molao e lo go jwetse go etse Lesotho mono re etseng bana re ketseng setšhaba.
Oh, re thumilo re banyane.
So he's actually doing what he was told to.
O tisana, re thumi he nang le thumilo.
And I don't even see him. I miss our Lukisana anytime soon. That guy. Pela una le stamina. Una le stamina. Una le matla. Una le matla. So na e tlo loka.
Elore ke la la ka empower ke ba o tlwella ho fihlelletse a ekeditse population le wena hape. You understand go tsile bophelong ba hae a so accomplish goal ya hae ya ho eketsa 2 million.
I thank God. I thank God and my ancestors that he never reached his goal. Nah, ne ke tloa le baby daddy o tshwana ka le ne ke tlo nwa sekiripoto ke nwa sefalo sa gampoto go tlosa pain ya hae. I know it's illegal in Lesotho, but wow, ke ne ke tla nwa le spotisi se ke se gwetseng sena ke se ritele ka ga metsi ke nwa daye. I ke batle little like little la mana le ngwaneng. Because should it be that when I die, I get to realize my ancestors, ancestors, nka ba o manyampe ka ba tshwarela pitso ka halimpone. Halimpone, like at all, halimpone.
Ha. Ebile story se bohloko sa hao sa Mjolo, and I hope you did find closure ka mora mono and wa kgona go move on.
I did. Not I think I did. I did.
Oh yeah?
I did and I'm doing. I'm doing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I thank him for doing all the things that he did, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have found this person. Oh, Jesus.
O batla re senya lebitso, ba tlile ho lose hope with the male people.
Like a loser. Not knowing what's ahead. One day.
There is always somebody for somebody. Just I don't know tiana motho a wrong for.
But a vow that I've taken, Basotho ba ntshwarele, but I don't see myself dating or getting married by a Sotho guy.
Okay. Thank you very much for share a story sa how now. We really appreciate it. And guys, that was it for today. And please remember to subscribe and hit the like button. See you again next week, Friday, same time, same place. Bye bye, Taby.
O sa etima folo ya e hatla honna Jwale metsale heketse ya ka o tsoloha Ante o itametse ngotseba haonga hate Ante o itametse ngotseba haonga hate Mjolo ala lele kunu Tui veri etu lavo Mjolo ala lele kunu Ae veri etu lavo Nayasa Oshokanyati Sorry Jawali ni chana Tiba veri etu